first case. Means it passes through a given point. हमारा given point है A having coordinates x1, y1, z1. Okay, having points x1, y1, z1 and position vector A. Okay, with respect to some origin. Then and has a given direction. This line is parallel to this vector B. It is AI plus BJ plus CK. This is the vector B to which this line is parallel. We have to find equation of this line. Now we assume that this P X Y Z, okay, with position vector R bar, this is a variable point. Variable point means this point can take any point on the line. Okay, ये एक variable point है. You know what is variable. Okay, you know what is variable. It is a variable point, means this P point lies anywhere on the line. Okay, now if we draw this, then we can clearly see that vector AP, it is parallel to vector B. So we can write this as vector AP, it is equal to lambda vector B. Okay, where lambda belongs to R and lambda not equal to 0. This gives you vector R minus vector A is equal to lambda vector B. Okay, vector R minus vector A is equal to lambda vector B. Vector R, it is the position vector of point R, point P. जो point P हमने variable vector लिया हुआ है, इसका position vector R है with reference to some fixed point. Okay, and vector A, it is the position vector of point A with respect to some fixed point. And we can write same as vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. So this or you can say this also. Okay, this is the equation of line in vector form. This is the equation of line in vector form. Vector R, it is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. Now please understand one thing. हमने आज तक जो equations देखे हैं, till now we have seen equations in case of Cartesian form. If we come to this equation, suppose AX plus BY is equal to C. Okay, then in this case you say X and Y, these are variables. X and Y, these are variables. Now this equation, it is the equation in Cartesian form. Since we are dealing with vectors, this equation is in the form of vector. Anyhow, algebraic expressions or equations. Equation means these are algebraic expressions having equal to sign. Okay. In these there should be some variable. यदि वेरिएबल होगा तभी इक्वेशन बनेगी, चाहे वो कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन हो या वेक्टर इक्वेशन हो. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन, इसलिए इसमें वेरिएबल एक्स एंड वाई है जो आप बहुत पहले से देखते आ रहे हो. ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपके लिए नया है. इन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट दिस इज द वेक्टर इक्वेशन एंड इन दिस वेक्टर इक्वेशन दिस वेक्टर आर इज द वेरिएबल वेक्टर. ये इक्वेशन जो फॉर्म हो रही है इसमें जो वेरिएबल है दैट वेरिएबल इज वेक्टर आर. सी वेक्टर आर हमने क्या लिया था, वी हैव टेकन वेक्टर आर एज द पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ पॉइंट पी. एंड व्हाट इज पॉइंट पी? पॉइंट पी इज अ वेरिएबल पॉइंट. ओके, पॉइंट पी इज अ वेरिएबल पॉइंट. सो पॉइंट पी का जो पोजीशन वेक्टर है वेक्टर आर, इट विल बी अ वेरिएबल वेक्टर एंड दिस इज द इक्वेशन. इन दिस इक्वेशन द वेक्टर इज वेक्टर आर. ओके, क्लियर? Now we have to convert this equation in Cartesian form also. Means we can find the equation of line in form of Cartesian also. See this equation. Okay, this equation. In this equation, put r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, and put a as x1i plus y1j plus z1k. Now we are taking r as xi plus yj plus zk. Why? See this. What is r? It is the position vector of point P. And what is P? It is x, y, z. Point P is x, y, z. So clearly this vector r, it will turn out to be xi plus yj plus zk. And this vector a, it is the position vector of point A. Point A has the coordinates x1, y1, z1. So clearly vector A, it will be turn out to be x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap with respect to some origin, we can say O only. Okay, अब ये वैल्यूज जब आप यहां पुटअप करोगे, ओके, व्हाट यू गेट एक्स आई कैप प्लस वाई जे कैप प्लस जेड के कैप माइनस x1 आई कैप प्लस y1 जे कैप प्लस z1 के कैप इज इक्वल टू लैम्बडा, यू गेट a आई कैप प्लस b जे कैप प्लस c के कैप. This will give x minus x1 I plus y minus y1 j plus z minus z1 k. This is equal to lambda a I plus lambda b j plus lambda c k. And this gives you x minus x1 is equal to lambda a, means x minus x1 upon a, ये lambda हो जाएगा. y minus y1 is equal to lambda b, means y minus y1 upon b, ये lambda हो जाएगा. And z minus z1 is equal to lambda c, means z minus z1 upon c, ये lambda हो जाएगा. In short, what do you get, I am writing here, you get x minus x1 upon a, this is equal to y minus y1 upon b, this is equal to z minus z1 upon c, and all these is equal to lambda. This is the Cartesian equation of the plane. Cartesian equation of line. This is the Cartesian equation of line. So you can find the equation of line in two forms. One is vector form, this is new for you. Another is Cartesian form. Now in this case, these A, B, C, these are direction ratios of vector B. These are direction ratios of vector B. ये vector B है to which the line is parallel. This is vector B to which the line is parallel. Okay. So these are direction ratios of vector B. अब देखिए इसे समझना तो और आसान है. वेक्टर बी इट इज पैरेलल टू द लाइन. वेक्टर बी आपका ए आई कैप प्लस बी जे कैप प्लस सी के कैप है. ओके, तो इसके डायरेक्शन रेशियोज क्लियरली ए बी सी आ जाएंगे. हमने लास्ट टाइम देखा था ये. एंड दिस लाइन इज पासिंग फ्रॉम 2 पॉइंट्स. वन इज ए एक्स वन वाई वन जेड वन एंड अदर इज पी एक्स वाई जेड. तो इसके डायरेक्शन रेशियोज क्या आ सकते हैं? डिफरेंस ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स एक्स माइनस एक्स वन आएगा, वाई माइनस वाई वन आएगा, जेड माइनस जेड वन आएगा. मीन्स दिस लाइन इज हैविंग द डायरेक्शन रेशियोज x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Now since this line and this line are parallel, so for parallel lines the direction ratios are proportional. So see this, x minus x1 upon a, it is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 upon c, and this turns out to be Cartesian equation of line. Okay, and this is the vector equation of line. Okay, it is a very easy concept. In this case, line is passing from a given point and it is parallel to a given vector. Okay, clear? Please note it down.